Your crop reflects your hard work and effort. So when a pest appears and spreads through your fields, it is a threat to losing all that you have invested in. Andermatt Biocontrol has the solution for you. Our comprehensive range of insecticidal baculoviruses. These don't only protect your yield, but also save the beneficial insects. By targeting the pest with a host-specific disease that can spread within the pest population in the field, our products protect your crop and the pest's natural enemies to help reach full potential. Once sprayed on your crop and ingested by the larvae, the virus causes a lethal infection, which builds up inside until the larvae dies and liquefies, releasing millions of more virus particles to spread through the field. The new particles continue to infect the targeted pests with the virus, like a bad cold, but only lethal to the selected pest. The viral infection continuously multiplies within the pest, protecting your crop for days to come, even after other insecticides have already gone. Andermatt Biocontrol's bioinsecticides are the alternatives to conventional chemical plant protection products. By only targeting your main pest, the bioinsecticides leave beneficial insects to work and integrated easily into your existing spray program. Leaving no residue, the bioinsecticide is compatible with pollinators and beneficials, as well as being safe for aquatic organisms and mammals. Continuously effective across generations. Targeting your pests with a unique mode of action and easy application to your crop, your plants and beneficial insects are successfully protected, protecting your bottom line and our environment. For healthy food in a healthy environment for all.